Hi, Andy's Vauxhall vids again. Second part of removing the Amiga battery tray bolt. So I had to put heat on it, and it's now loose, but I need to keep working it so that I can get the thing out, the stud. So I just need to keep spraying it. What I find once you've heated it is actually give it a wee spray that shocks it from roasting hot to cool, and it contracts and then it loosens. So if I just keep doing that, and just every time it gets tight, you just work it back round again. So I just need to keep turning it with the mow grip, so hopefully it should come out next couple of turns. Try and spray some underneath as well. Nothing to get under. Some full reach actually. Difficult to get under there. Under the actual thread itself. Hopefully it should start loosening now. Another unit movement. Penetrating oil in it. Yep. Hopefully I don't think it's too far to come out. I need to clean some of the rust scabs with this as well. And try and fix this a wee bit. It's a bit twisted looking. I think somebody's tried to get it out before this. It didn't work. Nearly there. A bit more spray. The reason I'm working it back and forward is because it tightens up if you just keep undoing it, because it's rusty underneath. Plus, I don't want it to stop, seize up again. Should be the last couple of turns, I think. Loosen it off a wee bit now, it's not as tight. Should be enough to grip it now, because it's loose. So it's coming now. So it's the engine threads. It comes. This might be still quite hot. There we go. One broken stud removed from the battery tray. So I'll just clear up around here a bit and tidy this up, wipe it down. A wee bit of rust eater and stuff, just to make it look a bit cleaner, and then I can put the new, I'll need to find a new bolt, I should have one, and I've got a new bracket, so Okay, thanks for watching.